The altcoin, which made it to the list of the top 6 Optimism dApps in 2022, attracts attention due to its critical data flow. Since it was included in the top 6 Optimism dApps of 2022, 1inch Network has once again been in the spotlight. Let's emphasize that when ranking these decentralized applications, the volume of transactions and the transaction fees collected serve as a benchmark. Although there is some positive data flow, investors should be on the lookout for some data indicating the danger. 1inch Network stands out on the charts. The recent introduction of a significant proposal for a radical overhaul of tokenomics and incentivized staking is another factor contributing to the high level of investor interest in 1inch Network. This was a hopeful announcement because it includes a few new features. For instance, users will be able to use the staking pod system to lock their 1inch Network tokens in a staking contract in order to obtain their ST1 token. The user will get more ST1 tokens the longer the lock period lasts. Stackers can use their ST1 tokens to manage the 1inch DAO, and the 1inch DAO can use the token balances to distribute rewards. The good news is that 1inch quickly rose to the top of the Avalanche ecosystem's appreciation list for the previous 24 hours. Despite being one of the most lucrative projects in the Avalanche ecosystem, 1inch, the weekly price action was unable to coincide with this development. Data from cryptocurrency data platform CoinMarketCap shows that the price of the 1inch network has decreased by almost 10% over the last week. At the time of writing, it is also trading just above 40 cents, having gained 0.52% in the previous day. Data from CryptoQuant shows that compared to the previous 7 days, 1inch Network's net flow from exchanges has increased. This could be interpreted as a bearish signal because it suggests increased selling pressure. The overall volume of transactions also showed a decline, suggesting that the network's user base has shrunk. Aside from that, the data appeared promising for 1inch Network because last week saw an increase in the network's favorable sentiment. Additionally, 1inch Network's market cap/actual value ratio slightly increased. Investors have reason to hope as the network's development activity and Binance funding rate have both increased recently. Data that indicates danger for the 1inch network. In contrast to most metrics, the 1inch network's daily chart reveals that bears are in charge of the market. Shaken money flow and balance volume for 1inch are quite low, indicating that the bears are in the lead. The story is similar in the exponential moving average strip. Below the 55-day EMA is the 20-day EMA. The moving average convergence divergence, however, also offered much-needed relief by suggesting the potential for an upward trend. Thus, this might contribute to 1inch's value rising in the days to come.